This is DJI Mini 5 Pro, and in this video I'll show how you can open and navigate the media gallery on this drone. So to begin, you will need to obviously enter the DJI Fly interface. Here, look to the bottom of the shutter button and tap on the gallery icon. That's how you open or access your DJI Mini 5 Pro's gallery. Here you can switch between saved images or the ones that are stored on the remote controller's internal storage. Here you'll find your media files, all photos, videos, or favorites perhaps. You can also select whatever media you'd like by tapping at the icon to your top right to enter or enable the select interface. Now you can delete those media, favorite them, or download them to local storage. That is up to you. And well, if you would like to clear all storage, just tap on the select button, then I guess choose batch select. No, yeah, it should select everything. Then tap on the trash bin icon to remove, confirm by tapping delete, and that's about it. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching, and bye bye.